Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, a while ago I made a video about the brake booster and its failures. I will leave you the link. Someone has put a comment that your car brakes well, but when you release the brake pedal, the vehicle is braked. And the clue it gives is that the brake pedal has to return to its position. They're all. The ballots have this piece. I explain. This is the brake booster. Look, when you press the brake, this is called control piston. It's called like that. This presses the master cylinder. And that makes the vehicle brake. You can see more videos about master cylinder on my channel, but of course, here, if it works well, if it brakes perfectly, you know that. For example, the vacuum enters here, you have no vacuum problem. Here the problem is the opposite. You have an atmospheric pressure problem. When you step on this part, it is the push rod, from a certain pressure, a valve of pressure inside. That pressure valve on what it does, in principle, is to contain the vacuum inside. But from a certain effort or certain pressure, it allows air from outside to enter. To release that vacuum, this is needed for the brake pedal to return to its initial position. When you release the brake pedal, if there is a problem, which may be in the pressure valve or it may be sometimes because this is under the dust cover, inside. Atmospheric pressure would enter here, which would be air from outside. It carries some sponges, they call it a filter plug, and sometimes they get dirty and prevent air from entering inside. And then it cannot be compensated. You can do the test yourself. If you see that you have it wrong, check the state of the sponges. Sometimes it is as simple as that they are dirty and do not allow air to enter inside. Then, if that air does not enter, that atmospheric pressure, because you cannot release the vacuum existing inside, think that the engine continues to work and continues to absorb, then you have to enter rare enough air to compensate, so that this goes down again. Well, here is this short video. I hope it has clarified any doubts, and if so, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel.